Hello you guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. I really appreciate you all joining me today. I am super excited to start this new nail journey with you all, and I appreciate all of the kind words and support that I've received from everyone. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. I'm going to be using my Beetles base gel as my base coat to make sure that the nails are prepped and ready for the gel polish that I'm going to put on top of it that you guys will see momentarily. Now I'm making sure to clean up the sides so the nails don't cure bulky or uneven. It's important to make sure that we're maintaining the shape of our nails so that way they can come out as crisp as possible. And then we're going to be adding them to the nail lamp and letting them cure for 60 seconds. Now after that's done curing, I'm going to be applying my nude color from Riyas Nails in the shade 112, the one and only. I really love this nude because it goes with many skin tones and it also applies really smoothly on top of the base coat. If you're looking or in the market for a good new gel polish, definitely check out Riyas Nails and also Amazon. Both have really nice quality gel polishes and also are very cost efficient. Making sure to clean up the sides again. After taking that out of the nail lamp, I'm going to be applying another coat of that same color to build it up, and so it's no longer really see-through. And we're going to be leaving this in the nail lamp again for another 60 seconds. For this nail design, we're going to be doing a bunch of line work, but keep in mind it doesn't need to be perfect because the charms overall are going to cover up a lot of the space, so no need to worry about that. I'm going to be using this red shade from Beetles in 595 and Modelones' black in 0629. I really enjoy using the Beetle gel polishes, not only because of the quality, but because they're also very cost efficient compared to a lot of other gel polishes on the market. In fact, most of my gel collection consists of Beetle gel polishes. As for the Modelones one, they do have really nice ones as well, and they're also really cost efficient. If any of you are interested in getting these gel polishes, they both can be found on Amazon. I'm gonna put them in the lamp to dry for 60 seconds. I wasn't completely satisfied with the red I originally chose, so I ended up overlining it with a deeper red from Beetles in 597 instead. I also went over the black again just to help with any of the spacing issues. Now that we went ahead and cured the nails all over again, I am now going to be applying my top coat. I like to use this Beetles one, making sure that there are no bumps on the nails and evening the layers to give it the most smoothest look. And again, making sure we clean up the sides to give it a really clean look. Now I'm going to be going in with my Macart rhinestone glue after curing the nails, and I'm just placing it where ideally I want to place all my flower charms on top of it. And the flower charms I'm going to be using today, I got them from my local nail supply store, but if I can find any on Amazon, I'll make sure to leave it in the description bar down below in case you want the charms to recreate this look or to just create one on your own. As you can see, I'm using two different sizes of flower charms for this design. I'm using a bigger one and a smaller one. The 3 bigger ones are going to go in the middle, and the 4 smaller ones will be going on the outskirt parts of the nail. I initially wanted to do 6 small flowers on the outsides of the nails, but then I quickly realized that I like the look of 4 instead, so you just see me here making that adjustment. Now curing those for about 30 seconds. Now the last step of this nail design, all there is to do is apply the pearls on top of the flower charms, and in this instance we will be using 2 different size pearls, one big enough for the bigger flower charms and one small enough for the middle part of the smaller flower charms, and we're just going to be placing the nail glue right in the middle where the pearls will be added. Now I'm going to be going ahead and filing the ends of my nails to give them a cleaner look, and then after that I will be using my Panis safety drill bit to go ahead and clean up the C-section part underneath the nails to make them look even nicer and more cleaner. Using that at about 10 RPMs. Now we're officially done with this set. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really enjoyed making this video for you. I have a lot of more press on set designs coming up, and I plan on posting every Tuesday and Thursday. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it down below and leave a like. That wraps up today's video, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Bye for now.